I'm still in bed. I still have gunk in my eyes. And I hear Rob in the garage with the shop vac. There's also a beeping sound, but that's just a bus practicing backing up. Let's just get this started. It is Vlogmas day 18. There's the shop vac. Can you hear it? Good morning. To Rob's credit, it is just about 9 o'clock right now. So I guess that makes sense. The rest of the world should be awake. Okay, I put on some clothes and threw my hair up, and we're gonna go see what Rob has done. You're doing great, babe. Good morning. So our plans today are to take a load to the dump. My coffee there. I haven't had coffee yet, so I'm working on it. We're gonna take a load to the dump. How's Dad doing in there? Looking good, babe. Looking real good.
Dog roof.
All right, go for it.
Okay. Yeah, I'd like you to get over and catch it.
I will be there in a minute. I'm not gonna catch the metals.
Okay. So when it hits the track, something falls. Oh!
You dork.
Exciting.
Love going to the dump. Don't you? We just got rid of 260 pounds for $18. Well, you guys, it has been a very good day. The garage looks awesome. We got rid of a lot of stuff. We went to the Goodwill. We went to the appliance donation place. And we went to the dump. And we got so many things. So that's so nice. I am so excited. This was a really productive day. And then later on, we made gingerbread houses. The one at the beginning of this video and on the thumbnail, Amelia made. Isn't it nice? Yeah. All right, well, that is going to do it for today's video. Thanks for coming along with us with this Vlogmas. You know, it's an adventure. Yeah. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment of your favorite thing that you've gotten rid of at Goodwill or an appliance place or the dump. I would love to hear about it. All right, see you tomorrow. If you would like to be part of our Christmas card exchange or on our mailing list, please write us or send us a card.